Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off Assistive Touch on iOS 18. So if your iPhone is running the latest iOS 18 and you want to turn on or turn off Assistive Touch, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to turn on Assistive Touch on iOS 18 is go ahead and click on the Settings app. On the Settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Accessibility. Under Accessibility, scroll down and then click on Touch. Once you selected Touch, locate and click on Assistive Touch. If Assistive Touch is disabled, just toggle this on to turn on the Assistive Touch. You see that? Now to turn off Assistive Touch, all you need to do is go to Settings, click on Accessibility, scroll down, select Touch under Physical and Motor, and then toggle off Assistive Touch. Once you turn on Assistive Touch, you can configure what you want to happen to your Assistive Touch button each time you click on it, each time you double tap, or each time you long press. You can also come down here to create a custom gesture. So if you want to turn off Assistive Touch, to remove this Assistive Touch when you are exiting, just toggle this off and then you're good. So that is exactly how to turn on or turn off Assistive Touch iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.